Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to recover disabled Instagram account, which means when you try to log in into your Instagram account and it is saying your account has been disabled, and it has many reasons. One of the reason is that you have violated any kind of community guidelines on Instagram, and if you have not violated any community guidelines and still your account has been disabled, then you can simply recover that account. So what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open any kind of browser, which may be Chrome, and here you have to simply search for Instagram help, and here you have to simply search for Instagram help. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on Instagram help center, and here you have to search for disabled Instagram account, and here you have to click on that. And if you click on disabled Instagram account, they will tell you about the details of the disabled Instagram account. They are saying that you have violated any community guidelines, but if you have not violated and it is by mistake, then you can simply report that. And if you are having login issue, then you can also detect that. So if you someone gained access to your account, you are unable to log in into your account, then you can visit this page. But if it doesn't and simply it is disabled, then you have to simply click on no, and after that you have to click on other. And here you have to simply provide the description of the problem, which I have already written, which is as recently, hello Instagram team, I have logged into my account and it is saying your account has been disabled due to violation of community guidelines. And after that you have to provide any email number which you are connected to, so that Instagram team connect to you. And after that, providing email and all the detail, you can simply click on submit, and that report will be submitted to Instagram team, and within few days Instagram team will connect to you and solve the problem for you and will recover your account for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel.